Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying good health. Welcome to all in science class. Here is Ma'am Nida Tahir. As you all know that we had started Unit 9, the Earth in the Solar System. In today's lesson, we will learn about the phases of the Moon, about eclipses and its types, the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. In this picture, you can see the bright moon with twinkling stars. The moon is looking so nice, but you will be surprised to know that this moon does not have its own light. It is lit by the reflected sunlight. Yes, moon does not produce light. We can see moon because it reflects light from the sun. As the moon orbits, we see it lit from different angles and it appears to be different shapes. These are called phases of the moon. The moon revolves around the earth. Here you can see. And each revolution takes about 28 days. New moon. The moon is between the sun and the earth. It is almost invisible because illuminated side of the moon is not facing the earth. After 2 or 3 days, it changes into waxing crescent. After a few days, it changes into first quarter. And after a few days, it changes into waxing gibbous. And after a few days, it changes into full moon. Here you can see this is the full moon and it looks like a complete circle. The full moon occurs when the earth is between the sun and the moon. Here you can see the earth is between the moon and the sun. After full moon, again there is a waxing gibbous. After a few days, it changes into third quarter. And after a few days, it changes into waning crescent. Again the new moon, and this cycle repeats. Eclipses. Eclipses occurs because light cannot pass through opaque objects. When the moon, the earth and the sun are in a line, there is an eclipse. Types of eclipses: lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. Remember that lunar means of the moon and solar means of the sun. Lunar eclipse. As we discussed that when the sun, earth and the moon are in a line, there is an eclipse, and here is a lunar eclipse. In lunar eclipse, you can see the earth is between the moon and the sun. Actually, this earth is blocking the sunlight reaching to the moon, and in the result, a shadow is made over there. Due to this shadow, the moon looks dim or changes in color. In simple words, we can say that when the earth is between the moon and the sun, the lunar eclipse happens. Solar eclipse. When the moon passes directly between the earth and the sun, blocking part of all of the sun's light, solar eclipse happens. Here you can see now the moon is blocking the sunlight and shadow is made on the earth. In this way, solar eclipse happens. This is the area of total eclipse. It's called umbra. And this is the area of partial eclipse, and this is called the penumbra. It's same like lunar eclipse. The difference is the place of the moon. In lunar eclipse, you can see that in lunar eclipse you can see that the moon is behind the earth, and in solar eclipse the moon is between the earth and the sun. The moon is blocking the light. Now prepare your notebooks for classwork. Write today's date, day and classwork. Unit 9, its topic, Earth in the Solar System. Question answers, page number 126. Question number 3, how a full moon formed. The full moon occurs or formed when the whole side of the moon facing Earth is lit up by the sun's light. What is a lunar eclipse? Lunar eclipse occurs when the moon, the earth and the sun are in a line, so the moon is completely covered by the shadow of the earth and none of sun's light can reach it. After writing answer, you will draw its diagram. Sun, earth and moon are in a line and the earth is blocking the light of the sun and the shadow is made over there, and this is called the lunar eclipse. What is a solar eclipse? A solar eclipse occurs when the moon is directly between the sun and the earth, partially or fully blocking the view of the sun from the earth. After writing its answer, you will draw its diagram. Here is the diagram. Now the sun, moon and the earth. The moon is blocking the sunlight reaching to the earth, and in this way or as a result a shadow is made over there. This is the area of total eclipse and it's called the term umbra, and this is the area of partial eclipse and this term called penumbra. This is your diary. Do reading of page number 123 and 124. Do question number 3, 4 and 5 in your notebooks, and also draw diagrams with question number 4 and 5. Thank you all of you. Goodbye.